When production targets are being met and machines are running smoothly, it's easy to assume engagement is high. But here's the real question for HR leaders in manufacturing. Are your frontline employees truly connected, recognized, and committed? Or simply clocking in and out? In today's competitive labor market, losing even one skilled frontline employee doesn't just increase hiring costs, it disrupts productivity, morale, and even safety standards. Employee engagement in manufacturing isn't about perks or office culture. It's about emotional commitment to quality, teamwork, and operational excellence. When engagement is strong, you see it in lower turnover, stronger safety compliance, higher productivity, and pride in the product leaving the floor. But manufacturing HR teams face unique challenges: distributed shifts, deskless workers, limited visibility across locations, and communication that often feels one-directional. Without structured engagement strategies, even high-performing plants can experience silent disengagement. The key is intentional connection, enabling two-way communication instead of static announcements, creating peer-to-peer recognition that reinforces safety and performance behaviors, making engagement accessible via mobile for frontline teams, and building a culture where appreciation isn't occasional, it's embedded. That's where Workmates by HR Cloud supports manufacturing organizations by centralizing communication, recognition, and collaboration into one connected employee experience platform. Designed for distributed workforces. Consider Toyota Material Handling, a manufacturing organization with 1,001 to 5,000 employees operating across more than 230 locations in North America. They were searching for a platform that could strengthen communication and empower associates through recognition. After implementing HR Cloud's Workmates platform, associates could comment, react, and provide feedback directly from their smartphones or desktops, while the Kudos feature encouraged peer-to-peer recognition and helped cultivate a culture of gratitude across the organization. The result? Stronger connectivity between employees and the company, across locations, across shifts, and across teams. For HR leaders, that means greater visibility, measurable engagement, and a more resilient workforce. So ask yourself, is engagement happening by chance in your organization or by design? Scan the QR code and book a demo today to see how leading manufacturers are redefining engagement for the modern frontline workforce.